Stability ball, mermaid. Place the ball by your side. Your feet can be at a little Z, so you're sitting right on your other front thigh. Hand is going to go right over the ball, and the other hand to a T. Now you can take it out a little bit further. Inhale brings you over. Exhale brings you up. Inhale brings you over. Exhale brings you up. To progress this, on your knees, the ball is right by your side. Lean over the ball, straighten your leg. Put your hand on the floor. I have my right hand on the floor. Your other hand down by your side. Come up and come back down. Reach it out. Now bring the hand back up. Reach the hand away from the ball. Keep looking forward. Bring the hand toward the ball. Now if you're sliding, put your front hand on the ball. Inhale brings you out. Exhale brings you up. The precision points, try to keep your hips square, your shoulders square, instead of your hip way back here. Stability ball, side bend, also called mermaid.